Student, in first unit, the third chapter, human reproduction. In midterm examination, nearly 16 marks questions. In this chapter, the 1 marks question, 16 marks, 1 marks question, 1, 2 marks question, 1, 3 marks question, 1, and 5 marks question, 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So, ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನೇನು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮೇಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ gametogenesis, the process of formation of gametes, then menstrual cycle, fertilization and gestation. Then in this chapter the very short types of questions, 1 marks questions, like this. Mention the role of LH during spermatogenesis. Teratology cells are very much essential during the spermatogenesis. Why? Then name the cell that secrete androgens. Then where are Leydig cells present? What is the role of cervix of the human female reproductive system? What is the significance of epididymis in male fertility? Which type of cell division forms spermatides from secondary spermatocyte? So like this, itara 1 marks questions galu keltane. Then 2 marks questions, give two difference between spermatogenesis and oogenesis process, differences between primary oocyte and secondary oocyte, write two major functions each of testis and ovary. Then long answer type questions, 5 marks questions. So draw a neat label diagram of sexual view of human female reproductive system. Then same ide tara questions. So draw a neat label diagram of female reproductive system and then male reproductive system keltane. Then draw a neat label diagram of human sperm. Draw a diagram of sectional view of female reproductive system and then male reproductive system irutte idralli same. Nodi next question, draw a neat label diagram of male reproductive system. Draw a neat label diagram of mammary gland. Explain oogenesis with schematic representation. Draw a neat label diagram of TS of mammalian testis. Then menstrual cycle and fertilization and gestation or pregnancy. Idralli very short answer, 1 marks questions. What is fetal ejection reflex? Name the hormones that induce rupturing of Graafian follicle. Why is oxytocin necessary for parturition? What is ovulation? Define implantation. Oxytocin is called birth hormones. Why? Mention the essential of LH, luteinizing hormone, during menstrual cycle. Then 2 marks question. Unless fetal ejection reflex is produced, normally parturition does not occur. Substation or the statement. List any 4 hormones secreted by placenta. Name 2 gonadotropin. Menstrual cycle are absent during pregnancy. Why? Placenta has endocrine function. Does it have other functions? Explain. What are the events takes place in the ovary and uterus during the follicular phases of menstrual cycle? And then 3 marks question. Draw a neat label diagram of section through ovary. Idu practical part alli irutte nimge alli bardirtira. Then 5 marks question. Describe the spermatogenesis with schematic representation. Sometime asking 3 marks keltane. Write the schematic representation ashte keltane spermatogenesis. And then oogenesis with schematic representation, asking as per schematic representation kelidre 3 marks, with explanation kelidre 5 marks keltane. What is menstrual cycle? Explain the different phases in it. With the help of neat label diagram, explain seminiferous tubules. So ee tara questions galu nimge 5 marks kelirtane. So illi first chapter, second chapter and third chapter alli ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. 1 marks question, 2 marks question and 3 marks question. Total 8 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Then second chapter, sexual reproduction in flowering plant. 17 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. 17 marks ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 marks question, 2 marks question, 3 marks question and 5 marks question. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 marks question 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 2 marks question 1, 3 marks question 1 and 5 marks question 2. Then in the third chapter, human reproduction, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 1 marks question 1, 2 marks question 1, 3 marks question 1 and 5 marks question 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅದು 16 marks ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಿಷ್ಟು 3 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಾನೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 3 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳು, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕೇಳಿರುವಂತಹ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕೇಬಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಈ 3 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು NCERT ಬುಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಸಹ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಗುಡ್ ಲಕ್.